The sun peeks through the pine trees tall. Dog grabs a bag too big to haul. Bunny's ears bounce, her books might fall. Wolf howls, we're late. We gotta run. Bear just grins, he's here for fun. Fox winks.
Class has just begun.
Ding ding, first bell rings. In the forest learning sings. Hedgehog rolls, bee buzzes near. School's begun, the gang is here. Fox takes notes with a feathered quill. Hedgehog scribbles, he's got the skill. Bee hums math songs, what a thrill. Bear's paw paints a masterpiece. Dog spelling words just won't cease. Bunny's reading under the tree. Oh, oh.